Okay, guys, welcome to this little promotion about this workshop that we're running tomorrow. So this is on our Facebook group. You can join, follow the link in the description. If you're already on our Facebook group, it's great. Just pop in at 4 p.m. on Friday. That's GMT time. So that is coming to you on the 5th of December. So that's tomorrow, right? So this is all about creating a short story with your voice in AI, and it's going to be epic, guys, because if you feel that you're being left behind with AI, this is a very soft approach to introducing kind of AI for you for specific purposes. So most people are using AI just as a kind of question and answer, right? They're just putting things in there randomly and just getting little answers that may not be correct or not. They're not fact checking. They're just using it this way, and it's being used in a lot of cases the wrong way, in my opinion, right? So what we want to do here is we want to actually train AI, okay? And a lot of you might think that you've got AI trained to you, but during the workshop, I'm going to explain some of the things that you might be doing wrong, okay, if you're trying to train it for your business to actually speed up, save time, and be more productive, and obviously increase the quality of your work going forwards as well. So this is going to be very interactive, this session. This is going to be so interactive. I'm going to get you guys to create the story. Right, I'm going to get you to create the story with me, and then we're going to run all this stuff through AI, and we're going to do some really cool things. I'm going to show you how you can use any kind of scripting for stories, for blogs, these kind of things, and you can actually get it to do it in your own voice. So the way that you write, okay, because we need to remember that we want to capture your authenticity, okay? We want the AI model to be as close to you as possible, right? We don't want it actually narrating or pushing stuff for you and literally becoming the star of the show. That's you, right? That's you guys. So this is really important that you take this workshop, you jump in there, you join the group if you're not a member already, so that you can see the live stream going into the group, and you can also help along. You can get interactive with it. So if you're not been with Zenler before, this is on AI, but we're talking about course creation and we're talking about content in general. So this can be applied to so many different things. So if you're thinking of starting an online business and you're an educator and you want to do this stuff, then you really want to be coming into Zenler. And what Zenler does over any other platform, and this is quite unique to Zenler, is that we give you training off platform as well, right? Because we realize that actually just having a platform with amazing features such as Zenler has is not the end of the story, right? Because you can have all the features in the world on a platform, but if you haven't got the education to take you to be successful, then you're going to fail and you're going to leave that platform anyway, whatever the platform is. And this is how we think. So my philosophy behind the education side for Zenler is that, to me, it's the most important job in a way, because we're teaching you how to make money and how to be successful. And I think without that, there's a massive gap, and there can be a lot of drop-offs. And you'll see in Zenler from our community that everybody sticks with Zenler because we're always helping them. We're always helping them move forward as much as we possibly can, right? And as we expand and we grow, we can add more resources to this to help you further and to keep you moving forward and not stagnating. And this is one of the things that you're going to need to do, right, guys? If you think that AI is not a thing, if you think that it's a fad, if you think that that you're going to always be producing your own work and you're never going to use AI in any shape or form, you are going to be totally out of business, right? Within 1 year, probably 2 years, you'll just be left behind. Everybody will be going with people that are using AI for their business and to speed their processes and everything else. And if you're not up on it, if you're not staying in touch with it, then you know, it's so much fun, right? I just look at this as a brand new tool. This to me is pivotal. I remember when I was a child and I always used to make my own little models. I used to be very much into D&D, like Dungeons and Dragons, and I used to make my own lead models. They were lead in those days, right? I used to paint them. I used to do create the little models out of milliput and clay and do big dioramas. And I was always thinking, because it took such a long time, right? Carving away, getting the models right, doing a little ogre or a troll or a dragon. And I used to think, God, this would be so much easier if I could do this all in a computer. Then roll on time, right? And then using 3D software, starting to create whatever you wanted. And then the next big pivotal thing, 3D printers came along. So first of all, it's the plastic real ones, which were okay, but pretty useless. And then resin printers. And when I got my first couple of resin printers, right, which I got behind me, um, it was a pivotal moment. It was like being a child again. It was like all of the things that I was dreaming for the future that I wanted to happen. Suddenly, I'm living in a time where that's happened. And I think that with AI now, it's also for me another super, super exciting moment, because it's pushed it further, it's pushed it further on, and it's kind of like, wow, I can actually now be good at the things that I'm bad at, right? So not very good. Yeah, imagination. I've got really good imagination. I can come up with stories, but my grammar and these things are really, really lacking, right? So that come, things like Grammarly started it, and then things like AI come into this, and now it turns you into like a superstar, like an English superstar, right? Yeah. So you can do whatever you want, and actually finding out more about it and getting deep into how it all works and understanding what AI's models do at this particular moment in time, because literally by the week things are changing, right? The image tools now are just amazing, they're astounding. The video tools are just beyond belief. The fact that you can use AI now to code full websites, to do big applications in no time at all. But the main thing here is to understand the prompt side and the prompt engineering side and the way that AI works in general. And hopefully this will uncover a little bit of that for you, as well as having fun along the way. So guys, you need to get in here. You need to join that Facebook group. You need to get in. I'll be watching tomorrow right up to the last moment and letting people in so that you guys can come in and watch this live stream that we're doing absolutely free of charge, right? So if you come in and you decide, you know what, oh, that's a great workshop, don't want to be part of the group, then you can leave, right? That's all right, it's no problem. But that's your choice. But I think you'll stay around, because when you see, and if you are interested in being a course creator and understanding how to make a business from something that you love, like me and the rest of the team at Zenler all have our own businesses, right, that we run through the platform itself, then you'll stick around. You'll at least find out a little bit more about it, understand that it's there, and the things that you can get with it as well are just super, super cool, right? So, guys, definitely join us. And I'm just going to walk you through just the first slide so you can sort of see an agenda of what we're doing here today. So, tomorrow. So let's have a look. So the agenda, this is the first slide of the agenda. So we're going to create a short story using AI with you, right? It's going to be super, super cool. We're going to craft the style and the voice with AI. So this is going to be in your particular voice, your particular style. I'll be telling you how to do this. And I'll be giving you two examples to just show the difference between two writing styles and how it actually emulates those two styles. We're going to then, after we finish that, we're going to go into extracting three key scenes and turning these into visuals to be put into your story or into your blog, wherever you want to use this content, right? So we're going to look at also a very important aspect, which is the building blocks of strong prompts, right? Okay, and this is really important. And we're also going to look at understanding, there's a lot of misunderstanding what AI agents are and the GPT in things like Chat GPT and versus the chat in Chat GPT itself. People have quite a don't really understand that side of things. It's super, super simple. It takes 2 seconds to explain. So we're going to look at all of these aspects to sort of tie things up. There is you can ask questions in the chat as well. It's going to be very interactive. We can't wait to have you in there, and it should be fun. Now, also, we're going to be streaming this into our YouTube channel as well. So if you're watching this on YouTube, you're going to see it in there. If you're watching it on the group, you're going to see it in there. If you're on YouTube and you're like, oh, what's this group you're talking about? There'll be a link in the description. You can click that and join it. Join it ASAP because it's tomorrow 4 p.m. Okay, so we haven't got a lot of time, and you can jump in there and you can join us on that. That would be super, super cool. So we are super looking forward to this. It's going to be a really good one for you guys. And this is one of our micro workshops. So we at Zenler run lots and lots of workshops on different things, lots on the platform itself, of course, but often off of that as well, showing you how to market, set up roadmaps, client avatars, these kind of things, how showing you how to build a successful community and all of these things that come with it. And that's what we do here at Zenler. That's what we excel at. Because our platform is amazing, our features come through really quick, our development team are amazing as well, our tech support team, and of course the education team here at Zenler. We try to help you with everything, which is so crazy about it. Okay, so the CEO Rakesh, he spends a lot of money on us guys giving this content to you, so it's really good if you can attend and join us live. So there will be prompts for people that attend live. I will invite you into the Zoom session at the end and I will give you the prompts. If you're just watching on the streams, you're not going to take part and come in, you're not going to get the prompts. Sorry, that's our rules. Don't ask afterwards, oh, why don't you send this? This is just what we do, right? This is just to get attendance, to get engagement, to get you guys motivating, get you guys moving forward, and to get you live on camera with us as well. So guys, super looking forward to tomorrow, and it's going to be epic, right? Epic. So I want that word used at the end. That was epic, right? Hashtag do more of these, please. And then we will get to it. So check out the description, check it out now, hit that button, join, sign up on our Facebook group. It's a closed private Facebook group. We've got the best community in the world, very positive community. We don't, anyone starts trolling other people or starts DMing people or these sort of things, we remove you from the group. It's a very safe environment for you, as you will see when you're in there tomorrow. See you later, guys.